The CXI PT5500 device uses innovative analysis techniques to measure the strength of wooden utility poles typically used in the telecom and electricity sectors. Using patented technology, the device is used to report the ultimate breaking strength, UBS, of a pole. By UBS we mean an objective measurement of the overall strength of the pole, including below ground. The traditional method of testing poles for decay involves hitting them with a hammer and listening to the sound that results. This is clearly a subjective way of testing, and evidence suggests that a large number of poles are replaced unnecessarily and a significant number of poles continue to fail unexpectedly in service. With CXI PT5500, we introduce an objective test solution that removes the subjectivity of the traditional one. The instrument is made with an intelligent device, the probe, that is used to capture the pole measurement data, analyze it, and through an innovative and unique algorithm, make an assessment of the pole strength. The device interfaces with an external app running on a smartphone or laptop. The Bluetooth connection works with Apple iPhone, Android smartphone, and Windows devices. Here we can see the operator fixing the device to the pole using the CXI PT5500 belt. The probe has to be fixed at a height of 2 meters from ground, right below the cables. Run the CXI PT550 app in the smartphone and connect the smartphone to the probe. The first phase of the measurement is to enter the pole information. On the main page, press Start Measurements. When the device shows the GPS coordinates, press Next to go on with the measurement. First enter relevant information about the pole, such as its pole ID for future reference. Look at the pole tag, find out the pole characteristics, pine, creosote, pole type, pole year, and enter these details into the smartphone. Check that the device is fixed at 2 meters from the ground. Measure the circumference at 1.7 meters and input the information in the smartphone. Measure the tag height from the ground and enter the information in the smartphone. Measure the circumference at 20 centimeters from the ground and enter the information in the smartphone. First, clean the space around the base of the pole, clearing grass and/or any other obstacles. Select the soil among the possibilities listed in the smartphone. Press Next. Input the total number of drop wires and the total number of aerial cables. Press Next. All the information needed for the measurement is now entered into the device. Check the summary page and press Next to continue with the measurement. The second phase of the measurement will start. It consists of the measurement of pole frequencies. Verify that it is fixed under the cables. Direction of the hit always has to be 45 degrees from the probe position. Press OK, wait for the buzzer, and then hit the pole with the hammer. The device starts capturing the pole vibration data and then analyzes it. Press OK, continue to shift the device into the pole measurement analysis phase, which will take a few seconds. If the pole is damaged or has to be replaced, mark the related option. The result of the analysis is a number, the Pole Ultimate Breaking Strength (UBS), which is an objective measurement of the overall strength of the pole, including below ground. The pole UBS measured by the CXI PT5500 may be easily compared with thresholds defined by the standard or by the operators to show in an easy and immediate way the status of the pole. In case the UBS is above the green threshold, the result is shown in green to indicate that the pole is good. In case the UBS is below the red threshold, the result is shown in red to indicate that the pole is not good and has to be replaced. In case the UBS is in between the two thresholds, the result is shown in yellow to indicate that the pole requires attention.